Welcome to Linux for You. My name is Sushil Sharma. So today you are seeing here the another TSHOOT lab, troubleshoot lab in Linux, where we are going to kill the zombie process. Let's tell you if you don't know what is zombie process. So if a parent is creating the child process but never collect them, never reap them, and if they are creating hundreds and thousands of zombies, so what will happen? Eventually the system can run out of available process and PID slots and preventing new processes from being created. So if you are having only one or two zombie process, there is no harm. But if there are thousands of zombie process, then will happen the danger for your Linux operating system. So today we will learn how to kill the zombie process perfectly, so that you are not running out of your processes and PID slots. So let's go to the lab, and before going to that, I'm requesting you to support my channel, and please donate any amount to this QR code and the given number, so that we can help by making these videos to the scholars who are making who are basically want to learn the Linux, who want to pass RHCS exam, who are Linux admin. So please help us to grow. Let's go to the lab. So this is my Red Hat 10, and in the Red Hat 10 we are going to create the zombie process. So we will use the Python script to create the zombie process. So how we will create? Let's see first that which Python version we have. We have the Python version 3.9.23, right? Now we'll create the script for Python so that we can create the zombie process. So we are creating a file zombie.py. So it is a Python script we are creating. So here you can see that I have created a Python script for you, and I will explain you that what is the meaning of that script, right? So see, we are importing here the module OS and time, right? So two modules we are importing. OS provide the Linux OS functions and such as fork and get PID. Time allows the present process to parent process to sleep. OS fork basically duplicates the current process. So it is duplicating the current process so that child process can be created. So parent and child process will be created, right? Then here see, we are executing PID0 OS exit. What is the meaning of that? When the child receives the PID0, it executes its code and the child immediately terminates, but the parent is still running. And after that, on the screen, you will find the parent process ID and the zombie child process ID. And sleep time is 600 seconds, right? So that we can examine the zombie process in between that time, right? So that is a small script we have created so that we can create the zombie process. Now we are going to save this file, right? And running this script, right? So how to run this script? See, so we are running like that. So this command is running the zombie Python script that will create the zombie process, right? So now it is running. So here you can see the parent process ID is 6984 and the child has the zombie process ID is 6985. It is a child process that is becoming zombie 6985. Right? So we are going to open the another terminal so that we can examine the zombie process, how to find them. The script is creating the zombie process. Now see it, how to find them. So from another terminal, we are running the command so that we can see that there is zombie process in my Linux or not, right? Now see the command carefully. We are searching for capital Z, means zombie process in the processes, right? By running this command, we are able to see that if there is any zombie process or not. So here you can see, here you find the zombie process 6985 and its parent is 6984. This Z is denoting the zombie process. So there is another way to find the zombie. So you can use the word defunct. So you can also use this command. It is also showing you that your zombie process ID is 6985 and the parent process ID is 6984, right? So always remember that we don't have to touch the zombie process. We want to kill it, but don't touch the zombie process. We have to kill the parent. So it is a parent process ID. So you have to kill it, right? So how to kill? The command is kill space parent process ID is 6984, right? Now it is killing. So after killing this, you can see that the process is deleted or terminated or not. So again, testing. Now the process is deleted. There is no zombie process gen, right? Or you can run another command also. This command also reporting that there is no zombie process. So that is the good way to kill the zombie process. So always kill the parent process, not the zombie process, right? So that is the important thing to know, that if there are the zombie process in your Linux or not, and how to kill them perfectly, right? So it is another troubleshooting series lab. So daily basically I'm uploading right now the TSHOOT labs, troubleshoot lab, so that you can pass the exam successfully, right? So if you are supporting my channel, if you are liking the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And please help us to grow, because we are making the videos for Linux learners, RHCS learners, Linux admins. We are helping scholars. So please donate on this QR code any amount or on the given number, right? So daily basis I am uploading one video, right? So please study my videos well, right? And if you are finding any question on any video, then tell me in the comments, right? Thank you for watching this video.